In this video, I'm going to explain you how to fix Instagram blend feature not showing. So basically, if you can't see the blend feature that they released, basically it means that you didn't update your app, or basically you're using a business account. So you're gonna have to use a personal or creator account, not a business account, and also make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. Also keep in mind that these types of features which are new, they're not released to the entire audience, so basically not everyone will have it at the same time. So you just have to basically wait until they release the feature to you. Now what I've seen in the past is that when you create a new account, you'll have these features right away. I don't know why, but this is how Instagram works. So if you've done everything that I mentioned earlier and you still don't have it, you just have to wait until they will give you this feature. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.